Don't you all feel like potty is very important part of your day? Imagine not being able to do it for 3 days properly, and then on day 4 I'm heavily dependent on sugar. I think there's no meal that I eat that doesn't contain some amount of sugar. Like, I eat a lot of cheesecakes. I'm a big fan of cheesecakes.
So depending on the day, normally I have pre-packaged cold coffee bottles. I have at least 2 in a day over the past 3 months, and I needed to stop.
I love a bunch of shit that usually should be like a once in a while kind of thing, but I eat every day most of the time. Like 4 packets of Oreo biscuits in the morning. Don't judge me, please.
I rely on sugar to make myself feel better about everything bad in my life.
At least for the last 2-3 months, I've seen this pattern. I cannot fall asleep without eating something sweet.
Once I start eating sugar, like most things in my life, it becomes kind of a routine. So if I wake up one morning and there are no biscuits in the house, I'm like, oh shit, my day is gonna go like badly or whatever, which rationally doesn't make sense.
So, it's day 1. I walked into the kitchen this morning wanting breakfast. This is all there is. Cheese spread. The only thing I found that has no sugar in it.
Okay, how hard would it be? Like, that was literally my first thought. But then I realized that I never take a packet of food and turn it around. I never look at the ingredients. But I realized the merits of it on day 1. दाल में उसमें कुछ चीनी या शक्कर या शुगर किसी भी तरीके का रहता है क्या?
अपना मक्खन वाला हो गया, ये सब में डालते हैं।
भाई सारे तो अच्छे वाले होते हैं। Everything has some or the other kind of sugar in it.
For me, the most difficult part is very honestly going out. It's a problem when you're sitting at a table where some jokers like, hey, should we have dessert here? So we're going on like a picnic tomorrow, and there's gonna be like Coke and there's gonna be like chips, but since I can't have anything, I have to go to the sugar-free section.
I went out and bought like a whole bunch of snacks, some trail mix. I bought some seeds and I bought some granola. Oh shit, it has brown sugar in it. Oh shit, I can't eat this. Anyway.
And so everyone here is eating some sandwiches and Maggie while I sit with my little packet of bajre ka bhakri. Because I'm gonna follow all the rules.
The first bit with like getting rid of those habits will be the tough part. The day started off pretty well, but by the time I reached home from work, the headache started setting in.
I just want to see if not having any sugar has any impact on my mental health.
So I've been really good with this diet. Like, I've been following all the rules. I don't like it. I hate it. I've been questioning my irritability.
I'm not feeling well at all. This is so ironic because I'm trying to be an adult. The diet is stopping me from being an adult by wasting my time. Cheesecakes are the only cure.
So of course, as my life goes, it's not going to be easy for me to do this. So in these first 2 weeks, I have had multiple events where lots of people have had all the things I cannot eat.
Niralisha, what have you done? Cookies!
We keep getting like a lot of freebies in the office, like we keep getting a lot of desserts and cakes and all. And initially I used to think that, oh shit, my life sucks, why do they get to enjoy things and I don't? But now I don't really care much for it. I've been eating pretty decently these days. I've been eating clean, I've been eating home cooked food.
Everything's gone back to normal. My body is kind of adjusting. Headaches have gone, weakness has gone. I feel like I have more energy.
We are doing this for 1 month right now, but if you make a change and you don't sustain it over your life, there's no point to making that change at all. I have PCOS. The main cause of PCOS is insulin resistance, which is caused by sugar, and the impact of sugar on PCOS is insane. For a person like me, this thing is important.
I'm eating a lot of leafy vegetables. I'm eating lots of protein. I haven't eaten this clean in the last 4 to 5 years. Now, a weird thing has started happening is that even if I have a little bit of sweet, I get grossed out by it. Which is like, who am I as a person now? Have I changed? I've decided that I'm not going to be like super rigid. I've realized the more I do that, I restrict myself and like end up hungry. Like, my whole thing from the start has been to eat healthy and not eat at all. And I'm realizing that if I have to make this a sustainable change, I have to accommodate that and let it go. The only thing though is that yesterday I dreamed about cheesecakes. What do you dream about?
You know, any kind of change in your schedule, we tend to forget about how it affects our mental health. For me personally, I think it wasn't good for my mental health. I wasn't really seeing any kind of change in my routine or my mentality and stuff like that, and kind of that made me more dejected.
In the one way that's impacted my mind is that I feel better, that I'm eating cleaner. That feels good.
To anybody who really wants to do this, I would say do your research first. Don't just get into it thinking, oh, it's cool and it'll be very easy and I'll be able to do it. It won't be. It is very difficult. You may cry in the first few days. You get into it for the right reasons. Don't get into it because you want to lose weight. Do it because you want to make an active, mindful, healthy lifestyle change.
Actual activity after I leave this room and can finally have sugar again is to get myself that beautiful cold coffee that I drink.
I just had to find some milk.
Cancel everything I said before. Everything is crap. Remove this video. Forget everything I said. Just eat cheesecake, guys. It's so good.